What time is it?
9:09 in the morning. We haven't had sleep. Yay, us.
Yeah. It's 9 in the morning and I look terrible. Hi, is Zion. Number 14.
Ish. Something.
14.
Unless Rush has died, which he probably has. Because he's not here, so... No, there's no such thing as Disneyland. There's only Kingdom Hearts.
Good morning, Zexion. I almost called you Zennis, but Zennis is sewing her special new coat.
This is my new stuff.
Everybody else is still sleeping, like our hired help. And little Demix.
That doesn't get any mother.
Little Demix is sleeping as well. But Lexine's awake. Good morning, Lexine.
Do you have anything to say to the fans?
And Zalden's still asleep. Or she might be sleeping. I can't decide. These are all the coats we were sewing. We haven't slept. Coats. And boots.
Should I be using...
Whatever it is, the answer is 42.
Should I be using white price 40? What?
Yes. Actually, whatever it is, the answer is yes. The boots. It's the boots. All the boots. Some of the boots. None of the lady boots. Sleepy Lexius. And Axel. And I think Sleepy Puff. I don't even know if my voice is carrying into this. Soon to be breakfast time. We need a hearty meal. We're not as messy as you think. I'm so tired. I could cry. I could just cry. That's why Marluxia and Vexen are sleeping. I'm gonna leave before someone wakes up. I'll see you in a little while. I'm going a little nuts. Hi, honey. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, I love that part. And there you go. There's some crazy...
Yay.
Yeah, zombies, you can either stop them by doing Thriller or cutting off their heads or whatever. I like Thriller because the more amusing. The Thriller dance is always a diversion for zombies because they have to dance. Okay, I'm done. Let's go.
Yay! Random Thriller!